What's up, Juice community, man? Check this out. DeFi Kingdoms Crystalvale APRs are massive, over 3,000%. But I just wanted to show you, if you have not seen this, DeFi Kingdoms Xjewel was the first version of this DeFi platform on the One mainnet. Harmony 1 is trading at about 17 cents right now. I made a previous video on this when the liquidity pool in the garden was around 1,000+%. The One Xjewel APR right now is around 500%. It was really low, around 300, and it's hopped back up now that the feels like the bull run's back. But today I'm going to show you exactly how you can transfer your Xjewel over to the DeFi Kingdoms Crystalvale and then begin staking or getting in the liquidity pool. And we can see that price of crystal has jumped. 2 days ago, 1 Xjewel could buy you 1 crystal almost. Now 1 crystal is 3 Xjewel, and Xjewel price keeps going up as well. DeFi Kingdoms Crystalvale website gives some good information. I'm going to leave all these links in the description. Okay, in order to understand how to start in farming crystal, we need to understand what's going on here. So DeFi Kingdoms created its own blockchain. In order for DeFi Kingdoms chain to work, Xjewel is required for the gas. And then here, Avalanche subnet technology provides a way for projects to section off a group of Avalanche validators and commission them to validate additional blockchains outside of Avalanche's primary 3 chains. And that's how DeFi Kingdom chain combined with Avalanche subnet infrastructure will unlock a new potential. So that's why it's still utilizing Avalanche. We got Crystal is acting as the main token of value in Crystalvale. Xjewel is going to be the gas that's required in order to do any transactions. Come over here to DeFi Kingdoms and then we go to the dock. We'll see at the dock master we can bridge tokens. Let's travel to Crystalvale real quick. You can actually click on it. If you don't have the RPC already in your MetaMask, it will add it for you. So on the DeFi Kingdoms mainnet, we can see that we got Crystalvale here. It's a little under construction, but it's looking beautiful. And we got the gardens. In the seed box, there it is. Wow, APR is almost 4,500%. That is nuts. There's 360 million total deposits. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate how I buy Xjewel, transfer it over, and deposit Xjewel and Xjewel. Let's go. So I actually have some One in Xjewel already in this because I'm in the gardens. So let's just go ahead and buy a bunch of Xjewel right now with my leftover One on this wallet. All right, so 1,001 got us about 17 Xjewel. I had 3 Xjewel in the garden. 20 Xjewels around $200 right now. We'll just start with this and add to it little by little. I mean, 4,000% on 200 is still quite a lot. At least for this demonstration, I can just use this wallet for future videos. So I'm gonna come to the docks and then I'm gonna click bridge. All right, so we come to the bridge here. We got from Harmony mainnet over to DeFi Kingdoms chain now. We're gonna be sending all of our Xjewel, and then the bridging gas fee right there is 0.05 Xjewel. That's why I am super bullish on this. All right, so when you swap your Xjewel, you can come back to the dock master and you can just actually go to Crystalvale. So then we're gonna come here, we're gonna swap the Xjewel. For Xjewel, we're just gonna do half. So you just wanna do half because that's how liquidity works. All right, there we go. We got 5 Xjewel and 11 Xjewel. Come to the gardens. All right, then come over to the seed box. Hit deposit. Oh, I forgot we have to add the liquidity first. That's also in the Druid, in the map, in the marketplace. Transaction fees are in Xjewel. Make sure you leave a little bit left over. All right, go ahead and trade your max balance of Xjewel for Xjewel, and then you can confirm the transaction. Come back to the gardens. Let's deposit this now. This is why you want to keep a little bit of Xjewel on you. So I deposited the crystal liquidity pairing and let it run for one night. It turned out got 0.3. Most of that is locked. The locking schedule and the vesting schedule is all within the DeFi Kingdom's documents. They'll have the gardens and the emission rates for the crystal locking models. We got one crystal clocking in at almost 30 bucks. We got one crystal clocking in at almost $35. Alright, thanks for sticking around. If you guys need any more help on how to get one or Xjewel onto your MetaMask in order to buy Xjewel, or if you need any other advice on how to buy Xjewel, let me know. Join our Discord, join the Juice Discord, ask questions in there. We got a really helpful community. I'll see you guys in the next video.